Sound. After studying this unit, the students will be able to explain how sound is produced by vibrating sources and the sound waves require a material medium for their propagation. Describe the longitudinal nature of sound waves as a series of compressions and reflections. Define the terms pitch, loudness, and quality of sound. Describe the effect of change in amplitude on loudness and the effect of change in frequency on pitch of sound. Define intensity and state its as a unit. Describe what is meant by intensity level and give its unit. Explain the noisiness. Describe how reflection of sound may produce echo. Describe audible frequency range. Describe the importance of acoustic protection. Solve the problems based on mathematical relation learned in this unit. What are sound waves? What is necessary condition for the production of sound? Answer: like other waves, sound is also produced by vibrating bodies due to vibration of bodies. The air around the earth vibrates and the air vibration produces a sensation of sound in our ear. For example, in a guitar, sound is produced due to the vibration of its strings. Our voice results from the vibration of our vocal cords. Human heart beats and vibrations of other organs like lungs also produce sound waves. The doctor uses stethoscope to hear this sound. Vibration of guitar strings produce sound waves. Necessary condition for the production of sound activities in school laboratories. We use a device called tuning fork to produce the particular sound. If you strike the tuning fork against a rubber hammer, the tuning fork will begin to vibrate. We can hear the sound produced by tuning fork by bringing in near our ear. We can also feel the vibration by slightly touching one of the prongs of the vibration tuning fork with a plastic ball suspended from a thread. Touch the ball gently with the prong of a vibrating tuning fork. The tuning fork will push the ball because of its vibration. Now, if we dip the vibrating tuning fork into a glass of water, we will see a splash. This is due to vibration produced in the prongs of the fork.